What are the symptoms of whooping cough? Who are most at risk? Infants under 6 months and the adults over 65 are at highest risk for severe whooping cough, as well as those with pre-existing conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive airway disease. In infants, complications can be really scary and life-threatening. Younger babies may make a harsh, high-pitched stridor breathing sound that's pretty terrifying for parents. So please see a doctor immediately if your infant is drooling, unable to swallow, or has severe stridor at rest, which is not normal. The causes of whooping and barking cough, also known as pertussis and croup.